Well, I've just changed my Panasonic washing machine, front loader washing machine pump. It's quite easy when you know how. I made a few little errors when I did this. Obviously the power's off. She's lying on her side. The door's facing the ground. Some of them do suggest when they're standing up that you put a piece of cardboard or something in them. But I've just replaced this pump. I don't know if you guys can see, but the pump's she's all wonky donkey, for a better word. What it was is there's an Allen key that got stuck, because I'm an electrician. It got stuck in here. So anyway, good time. So I initially replaced this little pump, and I had it flipped over the other way, not knowing there's another little pump sitting in there. So I struggled like hell the first time. This, if you're wondering, is for detecting water, I believe. But to replace the pump, you take the inspection cover off, which I've already done so. Take the screw out. There's a couple of screws that take this out. And then you take this whole housing off, and you can take these hoses off. I took that one there off. And that one, it's pretty hard to mess up the wiring. Then when you're replacing the pump, it's labelled on here, line and neutral, phase and neutral. This one's red and blue, so it's easy. The one down here is orange and white. So the orange is actually the phase. I'd recommend changing both pumps. I haven't, but I will, because I've got these pumps at a relatively good price because I'm an electrician. So once you're finished, or if you're just starting, light it on its side, put some cardboard if you want, and there's a whole lot of these little Phillips screws. And this cover sits on there when you finish. So I always check for any water leaks with my hose, with my torch, just to make sure there's no water leaks. I use my torch because you get the refraction off the water. I also